Hi viewers, today we're going to look at the DatePart function for the year value of any date. First of all, we need to go into the VBA editor by pressing Alt F11 and then insert module. And we're going to name this module. So first of all, we're going to enter sub. We're going to name it date underscore part underscore year. And for this module, we're just going to look at the message box. Enter MSG box bracket. Then I'm going to enter the calculation. So date part, because you're looking for a part of a date, which is the year in this case. I'm going to enter the interval string as the year symbol, which is YYYY. Then I'm going to enter the date as now, which is today's date. Then I'm going to enter the first day of the week as VB Sunday. Enter the first day of the week of the year as VB first Jan 1. I'm going to close that. What's the bracket? There we go. Click on play to see if it works, which it does. And then I'm going to save that. Close the editor screen. And I'm going to show you how to run it as a macro. So you go to View Macros, and Macro tab, and click on VB DatePart Year, or the relevant named macro, and there it's run 2013. And that's how to create a DatePart function for the year in the Visual Basic editor.